Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best catcher's bag is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any baseball or softball player, offering a dedicated and organized solution for transporting and protecting your valuable gear. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the game, keeping everything from your helmet and chest protector to your mitt and extra balls neatly in place, ensuring you're always prepared for practice or game day. This bag isn't just about storage, it's about convenience, durability, and making sure your equipment stays in top condition, ready for action whenever you are. Number 5. Baseball and Softball Bat Backpack. Introducing the perfect backpack for baseball and softball players of all ages. It's designed to be spacious enough for all your gear without being overly bulky. The large main compartment easily holds your helmet, gloves, cap, and more. Plus, a dedicated bottom pocket keeps your cleats separate and clean. With 4 side pockets, you can conveniently carry up to 4 bats and keep your water bottles within reach. 2 front pockets provide secure storage for your personal items. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials with reinforced zippers, this bag is made to withstand the rigors of many baseball seasons. Experience exceptional comfort with its ventilated back support and adjustable padded straps. Carrying your gear has never been easier or more comfortable. What we like. This backpack offers a comfortable and organized way to carry your gear. It features ample space for all essentials and a dedicated shoe compartment. If you are looking for a versatile backpack that balances capacity with comfort for daily practices and games, this is a great choice. What people say. There is a compartment for shoes at the bottom of the bag so you don't get your equipment all dirty or your bag all smelly. There is a spot to put 2 bats, a place for your water bottle, and a big main compartment that fits baseballs, glove, and batting gloves, batting hat. The bag is made of durable material and has lasted for half the season so far with no signs of wear or tear. The zipper quality is excellent and the zippers work great. The backpack straps are well padded and adjustable, making it comfortable to carry, even when fully loaded. I love how easy it is to throw the bag on my back and walk to the field without feeling weighed down. The ventilated shoe compartment is a great touch too, keeping my cleats separate from the rest of my gear and helping to avoid any unwanted odors. Great material and the zippers show the attention to detail and craftsmanship. The vented shoe compartment for cleats is perfect, as are the multiple bat storage on sides of the bag along with external convenient water bottle storage. Not to mention more small pockets than those other bags, which helps keep organized all the additional equipment in baseball, black, batting gloves, cup, snacks. Number 4. MATEIN 90L Baseball Catcher's Gear Bag. This extra-large gear bag offers a massive 90 liters of storage. It features multiple compartments to keep all your game and practice equipment organized, including a spacious main section for your full catcher set. Keep your footwear fresh with a dedicated ventilated shoe compartment that can hold up to 3 pairs. Plus, secure your bats with 2 elastic sleeves conveniently located on the side. Stay hydrated during intense games and practices. The large side zipper pocket is perfect for carrying multiple water bottles or sports drinks, ensuring you can easily replenish your fluids. Transport your gear in comfort with soft handles and adjustable padded shoulder straps. You can easily switch between carrying styles to suit your preference, even when the bag is fully loaded. Built with tough, water-resistant nylon, this bag is designed to withstand frequent use and travel. The reinforced, non-slip base ensures stability on any surface, keeping your gear secure and accessible. More than just a baseball bag, it's perfect for various sports like football, rugby, and swimming. It also doubles as a spacious travel duffel for packing sports gear or everyday essentials. What we like. This bag provides an exceptional amount of space for all your catcher's equipment and more. Its ventilated shoe compartment keeps things fresh, and the durable material ensures longevity. If you need a massive gear bag that can hold a full set of catcher's equipment and keep your shoes separate, this is the one for you. What people say. The bag is very durable and has plenty of space for all my gear. I love the reinforced stitching and the heavy-duty zippers, they make the bag feel very secure. The separate compartments are great for keeping my equipment organized and protected. Number 3. RAWLINGS Covert Duffle Equipment Bag. Introducing the RAWLINGS Covert Duffle Equipment Bag, designed for baseball and softball players. This bag is perfect for carrying all your gear to practices and games. With 2 extra long over-the-shoulder straps, it's easy to transport. This bag is ideal for both individual players and entire teams. Keep your equipment organized with ease. It features 2 bat sleeves, a large interior pocket, a mesh valuables pocket, and a breathable shoe compartment. Built with a durable vinyl bottom and 600D polyester main body, it offers excellent protection against moisture. Make it your own with a name card holder, number decal, and a removable top panel for personalization. Its generous dimensions of 26 by 13 by 13 inches provide ample space for all your needs. What we like. This duffel bag offers a streamlined design with smart organization for your equipment. It includes dedicated bat sleeves and a convenient pocket for valuables. If you prefer a more compact duffel style and value the ability to personalize your bag, this is an excellent option for easy transport to games. What people say. Holds everything he needs and more. Easy to carry and not too heavy. Great quality and looks nice. It's big and fits everything. It fits his shin guards, chest protector, and catcher's helmet and mitt easily. This is so much easier and he can pick up faster. Number 2. Champion Sports Wheeled Equipment Bag. Introducing the ultimate sports equipment bag from Champion Sports. It's designed to carry all your gear with ease. This bag offers an extra large capacity, perfect for teams or individuals needing to transport bulky equipment. Whether you play baseball, football, basketball, soccer, or hockey, it holds all your essential gear for training and games. Forget about heavy lifting. Its durable wheeled design ensures smooth and easy movement of your equipment. Constructed from tough ripstop nylon, this bag is built to withstand heavy use during travel, including bus and airplane trips. It features heavy-duty zippers and a strong carry strap with comfortable wrapped handles for ultimate carrying comfort. What we like. This bag makes transporting heavy gear effortless with its durable wheels. It's designed to hold a wide variety of sports equipment, making it incredibly versatile. If you're part of a team or an individual athlete with a lot of bulky gear across different sports, this wheeled bag will save your back. What people say. More than enough room for baseball team gear. Larger than most bags with quality zippers, and the opening is large enough that you won't struggle getting bats in and out. Mine holds half dozen bats, catcher's gear, 3 to 4 batting helmets, couple dozen boxes of balls, and rubber practice bases with plenty of room to spare. Wheels function nicely and handles are durable and well placed. Bonus side pockets keep scorebooks and paperwork separate from sweaty gear. Number 1. Boombah Brute Rolling Bat Bag 2.0. Introducing the Boombah Brute Rolling Bat Bag 2.0. This bag is designed for serious athletes, offering ample space and durable construction. Crafted from high-quality 600D fabric, it's incredibly resistant to rips and tears, ensuring it can handle the rigors of the game. It features 3 distinct compartments. Keep dirt separate with the top compartment, store shoes or helmets in the large bottom section, and utilize the spacious main compartment for all your other gear. Transporting your equipment is a breeze thanks to its high-quality, heavy-duty wheels with tread, designed for smooth rolling even on rough surfaces. With dimensions of 35L x 15W x 12.5T, it offers plenty of room for up to 4 bats and all your essential gear. Trust in Boombah, the leader in performance-engineered sports apparel and equipment, to provide you with top-tier gear. What we like. This rolling bat bag is built for serious players, offering excellent separation of gear with its 3 compartments. The robust wheels and durable fabric are designed for frequent use. If you need a rugged, high-capacity bag that can handle multiple bats and keep your gear organized and protected, especially for travel, this is a top contender. What people say. It fits all of his catching gear, 2 helmets, 2 bats, and 2 gloves perfect. His 4 bats and cleats as well. Extra pockets for this and that. Very well made. Great quality though and a cool design. Very durable and not a flimsy zipper like some bags. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.